This is the brief on the Yukawa potential and shielded flux. So we're exploring what happens to an electric charge when it's not in empty space, right? Imagine it's stuck in this kind of crowded soup, like a plasma. Its field doesn't reach out forever, instead it just dies off, and really fast. First, the calculus describes what's basically a distributed sink. It's like an energy sponge. See, unlike a standard electric field, the math here has a decay factor built right in. It shows that the surrounding medium is actively soaking up the energy flow, or flux, stopping it from spreading out. Second, this math represents a real physical effect we call screening. In a plasma, you've got these mobile electrons that just swarm around the central charge. This clustering forms a cloud that literally hides or shields that charge from the rest of the system. And finally, the shape of that cloud all comes down to a tug of war. A high electron density packs that cloud in tight, making the screen much stronger. But thermal energy, heat, does the exact opposite. It acts like a chaotic force that just blows the cloud apart and makes the screening fuzzier. So the Yukawa potential is simply the equilibrium point between the charge pulling that cloud in